Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are so excited to have you again. Finally, Miyetti has come up to speak about the issue of insecurity in the country, and he has made some very strong statement about Amotekun, the activities of Amotekun, and also EbubeAgu, the newly formed security outfit in the southeastern part of Nigeria. We are going to listen to the interview granted him, and you hear what their plan is. Don't forget that some time ago they talked about releasing their vigilantes into the 36 states in Nigeria, and they are about to do that. You are going to hear all of that in the news. And also the issue of open grazing, is fully addressed in this interview. You hear what their plan is against open grazing. Are they giving up on open grazing? Are they embracing the new ways of rearing animals and all of that? You are going to hear it, and it's going to be so shocking, some of the responses that he is giving out as the true questions at him. But before we look into the essence of the interview, we'd like to encourage you to please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get notification anytime we publish our videos. All right, let's listen to the news. The national president of Miyetti, Kuta Ahor Abdullahi Bello Bodejo, has said that the Southwest Regional Security Outfit, Amotekun, and its newly formed counterpart in the Southeast, EbubeAgu, are both targeted against the Fulani ethnic group. And we are going to look at some of the questions that were thrown at him during an interview where he opened up on a lot of things which Nigerians need to know, talking about open grazing, that it can be banned and all of that. So we are looking at that in a jiffy. Now, one of the questions that were thrown at him was, you were planning to set up a security outfit to protect the Fulani across the country. What happened to the plan? And according to Bodejo, he responded and said, if you are setting up a security outfit organization of this nature, the federal government has to be involved. Our Miyetti vigilante group is still in the process, and we are delaying it, believing that the federal government, Inspector General of Police, the Grand Hadi, can stop all these small vigilante groups. For instance, what is causing the problem and the banditry in Zamfara and Katsina State is the local vigilantes that are just killing Fulani anyhow, and the Fulani in turn carry out reprisal. We believe that Nigeria is one, and as a Nigerian, wherever you are, wherever you see yourself or stay, you are a citizen. So we are delaying it to watch if the police can adequately protect our lives and property. The Southwest has provided its own security, but they have forgotten that the police, the military, the DSS, and other security agencies are there to protect them. To me, what they are doing is political and not security. They just see somebody loafing about. They enlist him into Amotekun. What are they securing? Nothing. If the federal government doesn't stop Amotekun and the one coming from the southeast, we will have no option than to roll out our own with over 5,000 personnel in all the 36 states of the Federation and Abuja to protect our Fulani people in the forests and bushes whose lives are in danger. You can see how the Amotekun are killing our people in the southwest as if they are having an agenda. I am very much surprised the way they are taking the laws into their hands. And he was further being asked, you are complaining of Amotekun from the southwest, but the southeast is also coming up with its own security outfit, EbubeAgu, and he said there is no problem. If the federal government cannot stop them, then it is time to unveil our own under the umbrella of Miyetti. Both Amotekun and the new one from the south is EbubeAgu are targeted against the Fulani since it has come to stay. It has come to this. Our own security outfit is inevitable. And he was also being asked, and the question was, since the aim of these two security outfits is to flush out bandits and other criminals in the forest that are giving Fulani people a bad image, can your security outfit partner with them in this direction? And the leader of Miyetti, Bodejo, replied. He said, we can't join Miyetti vigilante with theirs because their agenda is to wipe out Fulani in those areas. We have seen it in the southwest. It is not about fighting bandits because the bandits are inside the forest. Let them go and face them, not moving around the villages looking for Fulani persons to kill. We lost over 100 Fulani in the southwest, but we don't have access to the media. Most people are not aware of this. After killing us, they are also damaging our names. They want people to see us in bad light as enemies to our hosts and enemies to other Nigerians. They say Fulanis are bandits, Fulanis are kidnappers, and Fulanis are this and that. It is a lie. They are doing these things because of President Muhammadu Buhari, who is a Fulani. During the time of former President Olusegun Obasanjo and later Goodluck Jonathan, you couldn't see or hear anybody mentioning and portraying Fulani in this negative manner. Go and look at the media report during the period of Obasanjo and Jonathan. You can see where Fulani went to attack people. You can't see where Fulani went to attack people or communities. The issue now is that anybody who doesn't play the Fulani card in a negative manner won't be relevant politically or otherwise in a state or region. We are not supporting any form of banditry or any person who goes to kill any person, whether you are Ijaw, Yoruba, Igbo, Tea, Fulani, or Hausa. However, the problem is that if there is any kidnap here, the police and other security agencies going after the suspect or abductors end up killing innocent Fulanis. Then how can these people you just enlisted from the street into Amotekun and the new one go and fight banditry? Where did they get their training? Our Miyetti Allah vigilante can never join or partner with them, even if we ask our members to join them. At the end of the day, they will come against them since their target is Fulani people. I am warning them to be very careful and stop killing Fulani. According to them, it is their forest, but they should remember that any forest in Nigeria belongs to Nigerians. Any forest in Nigeria is for every Nigerian. It doesn't belong to an individual or to a community. Let them be very careful. Our innocent Fulanis are all over in Nigeria and in the southwest, southeast, and south-south. They are doing their activities, their culture in the bushes and forests. We are warning these regional security outfit not to go and kill innocent Fulani. Not every Fulani is a bandit. As every tribe has evil people, so also Fulani. When they were setting up these regional security outfit, they didn't invite Miyetti Allah, so we will not be a part of them. And the issue of Samuel Atom also came up, and he was asked. Benue State Governor Samuel Atom is believed by many to be fighting for his people, but you have accused him of maligning the Fulani. Why? And Bodejo replied, he said, I have a program now, which is to visit the 36 states and Abuja to know the Fulani living in various states and educate them not to get involved in any form of criminality or join bad gangs. We started with Adamawa State, where we also involved the police and other security agencies. It was after the program that Governor Tom started saying, Miyetti Allah did this and Miyetti Allah wanted to kill him. I am surprised that a saving governor is telling lies. He lied to his people over the activities of Miyetti Allah. But at the end of the day, the security people arrested Junkun people. That is the concern of the security agency that knows the truth. I call on Nigerians to ignore Governor Samuel Atom over the way he is damaging the name of Fulani and our organization. Our organization has already dragged him to court over the anti-grazing law. We went to court to order him to repeal the anti-grazing law. Before the court gives its judgment, we are urging him to remove that law because it is not bringing peace in Benue State. Thief and Fulani are brothers, and they have been doing business together for a long time. Thief people have bestowed an honor on me, but Atom is moving from one place to the other, damaging our name. He is trying to make people see Miyetti Allah as a bad organization. Our secretary and typist Jennifer is a thief girl from Boko. I have a very good relationship with thief people. These southern governors are trying to join Otum in damaging the image of Fulani. They don't mean well for the country, as the governor have done one term, and in the midst of this second term, they have started playing politics by talking about fighting bandits and setting up security outfit when the police, military, DSS are there to tackle the bandit. I believe in one Nigeria. I believe that I can go to Ibonyi, Edo, Ekiti and start rearing my cow business. But I am surprised now over what is happening. Some of these people doing this and calling Fulani names don't know the history of Nigeria. Before oil, Fulani were doing so much to contribute to make this country have resources, have money, and be great. But somebody who doesn't know the history of Nigeria will start talking down on the Fulani. Do you know the Fulani? Go all over the state, all over the 774 local government. You can see Fulani people carrying out their business activities. And it was asked other questions. Said, Benue has banned open grazing. Southwest has done so too. And then Southeast, what do you say about this? And then he gave a shocking reply. But they just said in his word, he said they are just daydreaming because nobody can ban open grazing. Because you are a governor, you can't just wake up, say, I ban open grazing so that the Fulani headers can't see where to graze. These headsmen are all over inside the bush. And nobody can know how many they are. They are so many. You can just deal with what you are seeing. These governors cannot, because of politics, coming up with unacceptable policies. They will get tired very soon. These governors doing this are not performing in their respective state. You can't see any tangible project they are carrying out in their states for their people, but they want to do politics with Fulani name. It is not good. And very soon, there will be former governors. Thereafter, the Fulani in their numbers will go back to their normal businesses. Oh my God, you have heard what Miyetti Allah, leader, national chairman, talking about Bodejo, Abdullahi Bodejo has to tell Nigerians. Just go to our comment section